Hello friends, welcome to Uma's classroom for math and science videos. Today, before moving to the video, I have two questions for you. Question 1. Did you ever try to read the word red written on a paper using red ink? Question 2. Did you ever try to read the same word written on a paper but using black ink? If you have already tried, you are awesome. Try to explain the reason. If you did not try it, it's time to try with me. In this video, we are discussing about Stroop Effect. Stroop Effect is a test that demonstrates the interference in task reaction time. This is a wonderful brain exercise and basic neuroscience. The students from any level can perform the test. It's very easy to perform. Here are the different theories to the Stroop effect. The first one is selective attention theory, which is saying the actual color of the word takes more attention than just reading the text. Second theory, the speed of processing theory. The speed at which we read makes it more difficult to name the color after reading it. And the third one is the automaticity theory. According to this theory, reading text takes less focus, but saying color is less of an automatic job for the brain. This is what makes it more difficult to process color information and therefore slows the reaction times down. I already mentioned that it is a very easy task to perform. Students from any level, they can try it. And there are many real life examples where the Stroop effect is acting. The most common and general example is advertisement and presentations. People making billboards or magazine ads are very cautious about the color and font of their text to be printed. The reason is the Stroop effect. Let's see what are the materials needed for that. You will need 12 index cards, 7 markers, a stopwatch, an experiment chart, and few people to test this experiment. If you do not have a stopwatch, any watch with its second hand will work for that. So are you ready to make a Stroop effect experiment? Here are the set of cards you will have to make. The first set will have 6 index cards where the color of the word matches the name of the word. For example, you will be writing the word red using red ink. Set 2 will have 6 index cards with different colors and different words. For example, you are going to write the word red but using black ink, and so on. And set 3, it is a mix of set 1 and set 2. Let me tell you how do you conduct your experiment. While performing this experiment, you are a research scientist, don't forget that. So, this is the procedure for you. First, make 6 cards per set. So for that, obtain 12 index cards. Obtain 7 markers, which are likely red, blue, orange, purple, green, pink, and black. 6 cards will be used for set 1. I already mentioned what is supposed to be set 1. 6 cards will be used for set 2. You know what is supposed to be set 2. Next, make the experimental chart. How would you make it? First, make a 6-column chart. Write the heading for each column, which are experiment number, gender, age, time taken for the test set 1, next time taken for the test set 2, and the same for set 3. Remember, every time your time will be recorded in second. Next, record the research participant's information like his or her gender and age. In my test, I selected the people with age range from 9 to 69 and I tested for 10 people. So now it's your choice and your time. What will you do? To conduct the test, start the stopwatch. Show the research participant 1 card at a time. Keep on doing this for set 1 until the cards have been shown to the research participant. Stop the stopwatch or record the time if you are not using the stopwatch. Fill the time taken for the research participant to name the color. Do what was done for set 1, for set 2 and set 3. Fill out the chart as the experiment proceeds. So these were the guidelines for you, I mean the research scientist. Here are few guidelines for the participants. Dear participant, name the color ink the word on the card is written in for set 1 and ignore the word itself. For example, if the word on the card is red, then you will have to say red as the word. Follow this rule. And do what you did for the first test, for the second and last set as well. For the second set, if the word purple is written in black ink, then you say black, not purple. For the last test, the word pink written in blue ink, then you say blue instead of pink. But if a card had the word purple written in purple ink, you say purple like you did with the first set. So am I clear enough? You are taking the name of the color, that is the word. Be careful while performing this test. So that's all. Are you ready to start the test? Please let me know. How are you enjoying this project? You can make a science project for a science fair too. I know one middle schooler who performed this experiment in the science fair and it was well appreciated by the judges. Thank you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to check in with Uma's classroom for more math and science videos.